Let's go real far.
I should pack my bag first.
We've got so much to see.
If you really want,
I do really do.
I could go round the world with you. I'll be there for you. Whatever you do, I'll be there with you. Ollie and Moon.
Goosebumps in Greenland.
What a great day. Huh, Stanley?
It's a bit warm for me.
Well, I love it. My toes are warm for the first time all year. Hello, toes. Look how happy you are.
It's so hot. And I'm out of ice. Ollie, would you share some of yours with me?
Sure, Moon. Help yourself.
That feels so good. So cool. I'm hot again. All the ice melted already. Somebody turn off the sun.
Wonder why you're so hot. I'm fine.
But how? How are you fine?
I like the heat. I bet you would too if you thought cool thoughts.
Do you really think that'll work?
Sure. Imagine you live in an ice cream cone.
I'm still hot.
Imagine you're a shivery snowman, or you're taking a cool nap in an igloo.
Still hot. Wait, what's an igloo?
It's a house made of ice and snow.
They have that? Where?
In some cold places. My friend Anouk in Greenland has one. See? We were on the same skating team.
Ah, I love it. Ollie, I'm having a brainstorm. Let's go to Greenland.
There's an idea. I could use a break from the heat, too. Why don't I call Anouk and ask him to meet us?
But
Please, Ollie, come play with us in an igloo. I'm so hot.
you want to go away now and miss all of this?
Please.
All right. Sorry, Toes. But I'm going to need all my winter stuff to keep warm. And I mean all my winter stuff.
Now arriving in Greenland.
It's so cold. It looks like there's a cloud coming out of my mouth.
Nice to be cold for a change.
Nope.
Isn't it glorious here? It's so fresh and energizing.
Did you just put on an extra snowsuit?
No time to talk. Let's hurry up and get to that igloo.
Yay! Look, Greenland is all white, but the houses are all different colors. It's so pretty.
And so chilly.
Exactly. I love the cold.
Hey, Stanley!
Hey, guys. Meet my friend Anouk.
Stanley, great to see you, old buddy, old pal, old friend.
Whoa. Anouk, these are the friends I told you about, Ollie and Moon.
Hello, welcome, nice to see you. Don't have much time, big race today. Can't be late, gotta go, bye, fast, gotta go.
Anouk's a speed skater, also a speed talker.
I like fast. The faster we see an igloo, the faster we get home.
Igloo's this way near the race, of course. Follow me, gotta move fast, though. Can't be late, gotta go.
You got it.
Uh-oh, we have to catch up to him.
This way, guys, try to keep up. Have to be quick.
How is Stanley so good on the ice?
I don't know. Slime power? Whoa.
It's beautiful.
So beautiful, it made me forget about being cold for a second. Okay, second's over.
What's the trouble? Oh, no, that won't do. Snowshoes are too slow. No time for that. We need a new plan fast.
I don't know. I think we're getting the hang of it. Or not.
Maybe you should try following us in a canoe instead. We're lucky. It's in between seasons. So we can skate over the ice, and you can paddle beside us on the fjord.
On the what?
Fjord. It's sort of a little river. See? People use them like roads in Greenland.
Good idea. Canoes are fast. Let's go, go, go. Can't miss the race.
Or the igloo. We're coming.
Follow us. Go, go, go.
Ugh,
I'm not gonna fit, Moon.
you will if you leave your bag.
What? I can't leave my bag. It has my hot chocolate, my hotter hot chocolate, my really hot chocolate, plus my toe warmers.
We're going to lose them, Ollie.
Fine, if it gets us there faster. Stay here. I'm really going to need you later. Right, Toes?
Ready?
Ready. Watch out for the icebergs. On the left, the right, left again. Phew. Where'd they go?
I don't know, but we should follow the fjord till we find them.
But Moon, we could get lost. If we go back the way we came, we can have hot chocolate for my bag and enjoy the warm airport.
But this is the way to the igloo.
But this is the way to warm.
But this is the way to cold.
Warm.
Cold.
Warm.
Cold. Oh no, there's a hole in our boat.
We can't put it back in the water now. We'll sink.
But how are we going to get to the igloo?
Forget the igloo. What about getting home and warm again?
But Ollie, I don't want to go home and feel warm again. All hot and sticky and sweaty. I dislike the heat as much as you dislike the cold.
You do? You feel as miserable hot as I do cold? Oh, Moon. I didn't understand till now. We've got to get you to that igloo, and I have an idea how. I was saving this blanket for later, but I want my best friend to have it, to get to that igloo.
Ollie, that's really nice. But I don't think this blanket will plug this hole.
Nope, but it'll turn our canoe into an ice sailing boat. Come on!
Opposites, that's what we are. We can't give up. Give me a smile, say cheese. We're funny buddies, sing it out and shout. You are my best friend, we can work it out. Side by side, we're funny buddies, sing it out and shout. Two friends together, what it's all about. We can work it out.
Ollie, Ollie, Ollie.
Moon!
Whee!
Guys, what happened? We've been looking and looking for you.
Oh, dear, I'm going to be late. I can't be late.
We took so long looking for you that we've made Anook late for the Ice Cup Championship race.
Then let's make it up to him.
Hop on, Anook!
Thanks to Ollie, this is the coolest and fastest ice canoe around.
One of the top competitors, the famous Anook, is still not at the starting line. But the big race for the Ice Cup must now begin. Ready, steady, skate!
Congratulations, Nook. We to go.
You cold, Ollie. Come with me to my igloo.
I'm not sure how that's gonna help.
Ugh, it's warmer in here than out there.
Of course. That's what igloos are for, keeping warm. Hot chocolate?
Oh, yes, thank you.
Thanks, Anook.
You know, with a hot chocolate, it's not too cold in here.
And without one, it's not too hot.
Finally, a place where you can both be happy.
Hey, Toes.
Genius idea to bring some igloo ice home, Ollie.
How you doing, Moon? Would you like another cold drink? Are you comfortable with your ice and fan?
Very. Thanks for helping me feel comfortable in the heat, Ollie.
You're welcome, Moon. We may like different weather, but that'll never stop us from having fun together. Right, Stanley?
You said it, Ollie.
What a great day. Let's go real far.
I should pack my bag first.
We've got so much to see.
If you really want,
I do really do.
I could go round the world with you. I'll be there for you.
Whatever you do, I'll be there with you.
Ollie and Moon.
Loose tooth in London.
What was that awful sound?
I don't know. I heard it too.
Ollie, did you hear that strange sound?
Strange sound?
Yes, like an angry balloon.
Or a super squeaky fridge door.
Or a dolphin with a cold.
No, nothing like that.
Ollie, was that sound you?
I guess it's this loose tooth. It won't come out, and I can't eat this cheese. It hurts too much to bite.
Let me help you get that tooth out.
No, it'll fall out on its own.
Okay, we'll try it your way. That's it. Doing it my way. Why, I'm the best tooth getter outer in town. They call me the Tooth Whisperer.
Really? Okay, Moon. For you.
Hi, Tooth. Wanna come out and play? The Tooth Fairy's waiting, you know, and she's really busy. She's not gonna wait forever. What'll it take to get you out of that mouth and into the good life, So you wanna play tough, huh, Tooth? Fine. I'm bringing in my secret weapon. The sticky English toffee.
But that's the chewiest, stickiest candy in the whole world.
With a tooth like this, it's the only way. But one bite, the tooth will stick to the toffee, and out it comes. Luckily, I have one precious piece left. Uh-oh. Wait, I'm having a brainstorm.
Uh-oh. When you have a brainstorm, I always get dragged off someplace.
We'll go to England to get more.
England?
Of course. The best sticky toffee in the world comes from England.
Plus, my cousin Sir Brett is the first toffee maker to the Queen. I'll text him to meet us at Buckingham Palace.
But
We're gonna help you, Ollie. That's what friends are for.
since you put it that way...
Tally-ho, to England we go!
Ladies and gentlemen, now arriving in England.
palace. The queen has a big house.
Did you know it has 78 bathrooms?
Now that's my kind of place. Gate's locked, though.
And Sir Brett is not answering.
Then how do we get inside to see him and get the toffee?
Guess we can't. Oh well, we tried. Let's go home.
Maybe there's another way in. Wait, that hat? It smells beautiful. I gotta have one. You too, guys. Yay!
Come on, guys. Selfie time. Say cheese. Cheese. Look, it's a fuzzy parade.
They're going in where Sir Brett is. Follow them.
Actually, Moon,
Don't you just love the way they walk?
but Moon, these guys with the fuzzy hats, they're...
Pretty, popular, pleasing to the eye.
No visitors here.
No, palace guard. And only guards are allowed in that way. Well, guess we better head home now and wait for my tooth to fall out.
No way. I'm not letting you suffer another minute. We're finding that toffee and getting that tooth out.
Wait, there's Sir Brett on the bus.
Stop that bus! Sir Brett! Sir Brett! Sir Brett!
Excuse me.
Excuse me, first time in England? My niece.
Oh, left my package up top.
Sorry, sir.
This way.
Coming back.
Again, nice
Sir Brett!
Sir Brett!
Sir Brett!
Sir
Sir
Brett!
Brett!
Sorry about that.
Sir Brett! Sir Brett!
Excuse me.
Whoa, Sir Brett!
About to slime. Sorry.
Sir Brett! Sir Brett! Sir Brett!
Sir Brett. Sir Brett.
Sir Brett!
Whoa,
Sir Brett!
Sir Brett! Finally! We've been looking and looking for you.
Mammy, snobland.
These are the friends I was telling you about. Ollie's got the loose tooth.
We were hoping you might have some toffee for us to help get it out.
Oh, not a real one.
I can't understand a word he's saying.
I think he's got a mouthful of sticky toffee.
Sure, we'd love to have a look at your toffee factory while we're here. I speak fluent toffee.
Oh, prefer some tea and cake.
See? You're learning fast. Now get ready to sit a while. The English like to take their time with tea.
Delicious.
Ich bin die Forschung nicht.
Cheese.
Excuse us. We have to not be here. Bye. Come on, Ollie. While they take forever with tea, we'll get you that toffee. Whoa! Slippery floor.
Whoa! Ah! What happened? Where are we? Are we moving?
Whoa! We're on the sticky toffee tester assembly line. Watch out for the toffee twirler!
Wallop? Why, thank you.
Watch out for the toffee shakers!
Toffee stretchers!
They've been gone a while. I think I'll just go check on them. Guys, everything
Now, can we please go home and wait for my tooth to fall out?
But Ollie, we can't give up now.
Can we give up soon?
Look, we're covered in sticky toffee. You've got to be able to reach some with your mouth.
Please, let's just go home. Things couldn't be worse.
No, we're going back in there and getting toffee for my friend.
Okay, Moon, I'll do it. But just because you're my friend.
Opposites, that's what we are. We can't give up. Give me a smile, say cheese. We're funny buddies, sing it out and shout. You are my best friend, we can work it out.
was wrong. Things could get worse. Now I've got toffee all over me and I'm all wet.
Yeah, but...
All I wanted to do was stay home, be patient, but instead I came all the way here and I got kicked out of the Queen's Palace and twirled and stretched and covered in... Plus, my tooth will still not come out. It won't come out. It just won't come.
I'm sorry, Ollie. I just wanted to help you get out. What?
It is!
It's out! It's out! It's out! And hang on. Now I'm jumping up and down.
All right.
Because we're not stuck together anymore. The mud puddle must have dissolved the toffee.
Moon, that was your best brainstorm ever.
I had a brainstorm?
Yes, to get me so frustrated that I yelled my tooth out is the best brainstorm ever.
Oh, yeah. That is a good one. I'll use that next time somebody has a loose tooth.
That sure was yummy toffee. Oh, there you are. Looking better, I see. May I offer you some sticky toffee?
I'd love to try it. Thanks. I'm in no hurry to get home. You, Moon? What? Like old God? I'm dying of nibbling other.
I don't understand a word they're saying.
Ollie, how much did the tooth fairy leave you?
About 9 ounces of West Country English cheddar, that is. That tooth fairy really knows me. Try it. Uh-oh. What's wrong, Moon?
My tooth, it's loose. You know what that means.
Tally-ho, to England we go.
Let's go real far.
I should pack my bag first.
We've got so much to see.
If you really want,
I do really do.
I could go round the world with you. I'll be there for you. Whatever you do, I'll be there with you. Ollie and Moon.
The chopsticks jam in Japan.
And then what did you do, Auntie Chartreux?
I parachuted into the jungle and wrestled a giant snake. What a trip. Next time, you should come.
Huh? Thanks, but I think I'd rather enjoy the postcard.
Oh, it's my turn to cliff dive. Gotta go. See you tomorrow.
Bye. Wait, tomorrow? It's our Japanese sushi lunch. Oh, no, no, no. No, 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 no.
Ollie, everything okay?
I forgot.
Forgot what?
I'm supposed to eat Japanese sushi. You know, raw fish with Auntie Char. And I'm supposed to use these to eat the raw fish.
Ooh, what beautiful special chopsticks, Ollie. Can I try?
They were a birthday present from Auntie Char. And I forgot to learn how to use them.
No problem. See? It's easy.
For you, maybe. But when I do it... Why can't I use chopsticks as well as you? Oh, I wish I'd been born in Japan. Then I'd already know how to eat sushi with chopsticks.
Ollie, I'm having a brainstorm.
Uh-oh. When you have a brainstorm, I always get dragged off someplace.
Let's go to Japan.
I changed my mind. I do not need to learn how to eat with chopsticks.
But you could learn so fast there. Everybody in Japan has been eating raw fish with chopsticks since they were little. They can teach you.
Well, I would like to make Auntie Char happy, but Japan sounds
Fun, fabulous, fantastic,
I was going to say far.
Come on! It'll be so easy. We'll be back before she gets here.
Yeah!
Everybody say hello to Japan. Konnichiwa, Japan.
Wow! The lights! The noise!
The lights, the noise!
In our chopsticks lesson. Come on! And look at him eating sushi. Not bad for a guy with flippers.
Yeah, okay. I can do this.
Konnichiwa. Hello, I'm Hiroki. And you need help.
I do, and fast. I need to eat sushi with chopsticks tomorrow at lunch.
Pretend it's a pencil. That's the easy way. Easy, easy, easy. Excuse me? But he needs to eat, not write. No, hold the top one like a pencil and pinch, pinch, pinch.
Wow, good idea, Hiroki.
Go, go, go. Oh. Iku, Iku, Iku. Oh, come on, Ollie. Everyone's cheering for you. Ollie, 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 Ollie. You learned to eat sushi with chopsticks, all.
Thank you for teaching me, Hiroki.
I am honored to have taught you.
Auntie Chartreux is going to be so proud. I did it!
Your chopsticks landed in the robes of Mighty Tashu, the famous sumo wrestler. What are sumo wrestlers? Powerful athletes who wrestle till one goes outside the ring. It's the most amazing sport ever. Mighty Tashu is the best.
And he's also leaving. Oh, no.
Mr. Wrestler.
But
You mustn't disturb Mighty Tashu. He needs his quiet time.
this is awful.
This is an adventure.
But I lost my special chopsticks. What good is knowing how to use them when I've lost them?
You didn't lose them, Ollie.
But we can't get near them thanks to that shushing bodyguard.
Wait, I'm having another brainstorm.
Uh-oh. The last time you had a brainstorm, we got into a mighty mess.
But look, Ollie, they have vending machines for everything here in Japan. There's got to be something in here that can help us. Look, wagassas.
What?
Wagassas. They're traditional Japanese umbrellas. And they're perfect. Come on. Here's the plan. We inch up to him, grab the chopsticks, and run. See how easy this plan is?
For you, my umbrella won't open. Phew.
All right, vending machine. I'm counting on you for another brainstorm.
And make it fast. We need to get those chopsticks back.
A couple of ogi.
You mean hand fans?
Yes, we'll hide behind them, and while I keep the guard busy, you grab the chopsticks. Easy.
That's what you think. I think it sounds hard. Eating sushi with a fork is looking better and better.
Excuse me? Could I have an autograph?
No autographs.
Oh, not from the Mighty Tashu. From you.
Me?
Please write to my biggest fan, who really enjoys the bodyguard profession. Hurry up. Especially the fabulous sunglasses and,
Yikes!
Oh, no.
Now how are we going to find him in time? The city's so huge. Oh, Auntie Shore will be so sad. My chopsticks are gone forever.
I wouldn't be so sure.
Hiroki!
I know where he's going. Look, up, up, up. Tonight only, the match of the century. The mighty Tashu takes on all challengers. Sumo, sumo, sumo.
See? All we have to do is get into the match. It'll be easy.
It doesn't sound easy. How?
Yes, how? The match is totally sold out.
Wait. Ta-da!
An inflatable sumo costume!
And it's just your size.
Of course it is.
There's the mighty Tashu.
And there are my chopsticks. And my last chance to get them back. Whoops. Whoa.
Go, Ollie!
What? Moon, help. Wrestling was not part of the plan.
Don't worry. I'll get yet another brainstorm. Any second now. Oh, come on, brain!
How about now, Moon?
Oh, this is so hard. What if an idea doesn't pop into my head in time?
Pop? Of course. That's okay, Moon, because I'm having a brainstorm.
You are?
Hop on. It'll be easy.
Easy for you, maybe. But I'll try.
Try again. This time I'll help.
Thanks, Hiroki. Now what?
Just grab the chopsticks.
Wow!
Yeah! Now!
That's what we are. We can't give up. Give me a smile. Say cheese. We're funny buddies. Sing it out and shout. You are my best friend. We can work it out. Side by side, we're funny buddies. Sing it out and shout. True friends together. What it's all about. We can work it out. You made that seem so easy, Ollie.
It was easy, somehow. Though there's one hard thing I could still use your help with. Getting me out of this thing! Come on!
Here, come here, buddy.
And that's how I brought down the wayward hot air balloon using only my nose.
Wow, Auntie Chartreux. What an amazing story.
Your turn, Ollie. Tell me a story of adventure, daring, courage.
You know what? I think I can. It all started when I went to a place called Japan.
Let's go real far.
I should pack my bag first.
We've got so much to see.
If you really want,
I do really do.
I could go round the world with you. I'll be there for you.
Whatever you do,
I'll be there with you. Ollie and Moon.
Quest for the Irish clover.
Hi, Ollie. Ooh, what are you painting?
Well,
Wait, let me guess. Squish broccoli.
no,
A green monster?
no.
A blob of pea soup in a green hat?
No. It's supposed to be a 4-leaf clover, like this one, only with one more leaf.
Oh! Nope, still don't say it.
Guess I better start over. Again. I'm okay.
What's this painting for, Ollie?
I'm making my Auntie Shar a birthday card with a lucky 4-leaf clover on it. It's her favorite plant.
Neat. But why is a 4-leaf clover lucky?
Because almost all clover has 3 leaves. So you have to be really lucky to find one with 4 leaves.
Oh, well, I'm pretty lucky. Maybe I could find you a real one for your card. Be right back.
A real 4-leaf clover would be amazing, Moon. But finding one in Brooklyn is next to impossible.
If it's here, I'll find it. Yeah, it's not here. And there's no more clover to look through.
Thanks for trying. But I better get back to my painting.
Wait, Ollie!
You brainstormed?
Yes!
Ah!
We just need to go where there's lots of clover. Like Ireland. It's the land of clover.
But Ireland's far away, and Auntie Shar's birthday is tomorrow.
Then we better hurry. Come on, it'll be fun.
Now arriving in Ireland, the land of clover.
What did I tell you, Ollie? Just look at all this clover.
Whoa! It's clover all over!
There's gotta be a 4-leaf clover in here somewhere. Huh, Ollie? Ollie? What you doing?
Setting up my search area. See? I'll search square by square, and that way I won't miss a spot.
Ollie, there's just one problem with your plan. Where's the fun? Let's play while we're looking.
No, I want to be careful. I'm going to do things my way.
Okay, then I'll do things my way, and we'll see who finds the 4-leaf clover first.
Okay.
Good.
Great.
Fine.
Nothing but 3-leaf clovers here.
Step, jump, swirl, and... No 4-leaf clovers here.
Just 3-leaf clovers here.
Step, jump, swirl, and...
Moon, your fun messed up my search area.
No, your search area messed up my fun.
I have to start all over.
I can't move. Ollie, do you get the feeling we're being watched? Aw, they're so cute.
Maybe they'll eat all the clover. Shoo! Get! Hey, it tickles! It tickles!
Hi, I'm Seamus. What's in the green grass happened here?
I'm Moon, and this is my friend Ollie. We're a little tied up.
I think Cutie's taken a liking to you, Ollie.
Slobbery.
Seamus, do you think you could give us a hand with this string, please?
Of course. There you are, lads.
Thank you.
Thanks.
What brings you to Ireland?
We're looking for a 4-leaf clover.
Ah, a shamrock. The luck of the Irish. Good. You know, there's a saying about how to find one. To find a shamrock, here's how to start. Open your eyes and open your heart.
I don't get it.
No matter. This isn't the place to find one anyway.
It's not?
No. But I'm about to take the sheep to graze at the very best place to find a 4-leaf clover.
Did you hear that, Moon? Fantastic!
I know. Maybe we can help you round the sheep up so we can get there faster.
Brilliant idea. Cutie and Princess over there are always trouble.
Let's go catch them, Ollie. It'll be fun.
Catch them? That sounds like it might be slobbery. I think I'll just ask them politely to come along. It'll be safer.
You try it your way, Ollie? I'll try it my way.
And we'll see who rounds the sheep up first.
Cutie! Come back here! Cutie! Come here, girl!
Excuse me, Princess? Would you be so kind as to follow me into the circle over there? See, I'm kind of in a hurry because I need to find a four-leaf clover. So if you could come along...
Cutie! Wow!
Ha! How about this? A fancy carpet fit for a princess like you. And look, your adoring herd is waiting for you at the end.
Not this way, Cutie!
Seamus, do you think you could give us a hand again, please?
Whew. You two sure know how to get tangled. There you go, lad. Why not work together now and then?
Thanks.
Thank you.
Now, let's head out to the clover before you two get yourselves tied up again.
What a mess. And right when my way was about to work.
What do you mean? I was this close to hurting them my way.
Pardon, but you're both going the wrong way. Follow me.
Right. Let's go get that four-leaf clover.
Yup.
Here's the best place to find a four-leaf clover in all of Ireland.
Why's that?
Because clover with white flowers produce the most four-leaf plants. Now, don't forget to open your eyes and your heart.
Thanks, Seamus.
Thank you.
Good luck.
I'll just get my string set up.
And I'll get ready for some fun and laugh. What happened?
How could we possibly be tangled up again?
All I know is whenever we try to do things our way,
We get in each other's way.
maybe we're going about this all wrong, Ollie.
We should be working together, like Seamus said. But how?
Ollie, I'm having a brainstorm.
You and me both, Moon.
Opposites, that's what we are. We can't give up. Give me a smile, say cheese. We're funny buddies, sing it out and shout. You are my best friend, we can work it out. Side by side, we're funny buddies, sing it out and shout. True friends together, what it's all about. We can work it out.
Checking.
Double checking. And Cutie's making sure we can tell where we've looked already.
This idea is a perfect mix, Moon. It's careful, like my way, and fun, like your way.
Uh-oh, it's starting to rain.
We're getting wet, and we're running out of time. Oh! Moon, are you seeing what I'm seeing?
1, 2, 3, 4 leaves.
Seamus, look!
Grand. How did you find it?
Easy. We opened our hearts to each other's ways.
And then we opened our eyes, just like you said.
Don't close your eyes just yet. Look there.
Wow.
Time for me to get the sheep home. But it was fun meeting you, friends. You know what we say about friends in Ireland. A good friend is like a four-leaf clover. Rare to find, but lucky to have. Bye.
Happy birthday, Auntie Shar.
This year, I traveled all the way to Ireland to find a real four-leaf clover with Moon's help.
Oh, it's my favorite and the loveliest card I've ever received. Thank you. But 4-leaf clovers are so hard to find. Are you sure you don't want to keep it?
We're already lucky enough.
We're so lucky to be friends. Let's go real far.
I should pack my bag first.
We've got so much to see.
If you really want,
I do really do.
I could go round the world with you. I'll be there for you.
Whatever you do,
I'll be there with you. Ollie and Moon.
The Lion Whisperer.
And finished. Hey, Stanley, check out this super ball sorter I made.
Amazing, Ollie. But is one missing?
What? Oh no, my Nubby Wubby Super Ball. Where is it? Moon, have you seen my Nubby Wubby Super Ball?
Yeah.
Well, where'd you see it?
It was down here, but I kind of accidentally,
Oh, lost it on the roof?
Well, yes, but see...
How could you be so... Actually, I can't talk about it. I'm too upset.
I'm really sorry, Ollie, but...
We'll talk after my Nubby Wubby Super Ball is in its cubby, okay?
But, Ollie...
Okay, here's the situation. This is the roof, and here's my ball. How do we get it down? Ideas?
I could get it. I could climb outside and ninja up to the roof. Oof. Feeling weak.
Right. We need help. Tall help. I'm having a brainstorm.
Uh-oh. When you have a brainstorm, I always get dragged off somewhere.
Let's ask Geraldine to get it.
Geraldine.
Remember when we met her on that fun ship cruise?
She was so nice and fun and tall.
Anybody know where she lives?
Let's see. Her last postcard was from Kenya.
There's no way she can help us if she's there.
Unless...
Uh-oh.
Now arriving in Kenya. Yay!
Whoa! Kenya is so beautiful. Look, Ollie, you're missing it.
Yes, this is the way to Geraldine's house.
You sure are checking your map a lot, Ollie.
Well, that's because I am a careful cat. A careful cat who likes to avoid careless accidents.
Why is he looking at me like that?
Something in his eye, maybe?
Because you lost my Nubby Wubby Super Ball on the roof.
Oh, so you're rubbing it in.
Yeah, sorry. I'm a little cranky. Let's all just be careful, okay?
I can be careful. Check this out. Ollie, look, there's a bug on your tail. Stanley, watch out for that pebble. And also, lion ahead. What do we do now?
Hide in our shells.
Everybody good? Everybody hiding?
It's okay, everybody, because there is no way that's the only road to Geraldine's.
Whee!
Wow, that's the only road to Geraldine's.
Oh.
Ideas?
I got it. We distract the lion so we can run past him.
Great idea. Distract him how?
We'll throw something. Like...
My Nubby Wubby Super Ball?
Yes! No.
I have kind of a kooky idea.
I love those.
I read this book once about playing music to calm a lion. Since we don't have my nubby wubby,
We get it.
maybe we could play a lullaby to make the lion sleepy. Then while he's snoozing, we pass the rah, rah, rah.
Then we'll be one closer to the boing, boing, boing.
Now, which instrument will be right for a soft, soothing lullaby? What's with all these loud instruments?
Because this is ye old loud instrument shop. You must want the quiet, sleepy tunes emporium.
Hello? Anybody there? What? A snail. You're giant.
Hello, my tiny friend. I'm Chad Gastropod, Mr. Mollusk Universe.
You sure are.
You must be here for my new Power Snail workout training system. I can transform even you from a chumpy little slug into a champion!
Then sign me up.
What a musician.
Oh, what do you think, Moon? Think that could put the lion to sleep?
I think maybe...
Hey, you two!
Look!
You sleep on it, you buy it.
We were sleeping?
Ma'am, do you give lessons on this,
Neatiti? Of course.
Sign us up!
Maybe we should have finished the lessons.
Something must be wrong with mine. Is it upside down? Hold on, I think I've got it.
Moon, we better stop.
Do you think the lion saw where we went, Ollie?
Shh. He'll hear where we went if you don't stifle your whiskers.
So how are we supposed to get to Geraldine's with the lion after us?
Ideas?
That's it!
Good thinking, Moon. There's safety in numbers. Now we just keep moving along with the group, and soon we'll be at Geraldine's. How you doing?
You got it, Stanley. Dig deep. We are going to make a champion out of you. Come on, go, go. Yes. I want to see the slime on you. Come on. You are ready. Ready to test your strength and courage against a mighty lion.
What a great idea, Moon. I guess sometimes it's better to think fast instead of being super careful.
Totally. Hey, Ollie, you think the lion is still following us?
Not now, though. Now would have been a good time to be careful. Ideas?
Yeah, let's hide behind that. Things don't look good, Ollie.
You know, Moon, even though you lost my Nubby Wubby Super Bowl on the roof, overall, you've been a great friend.
You too, Ollie. That's why we're not giving up. Come on! Opposites,
That's what we are.
we can't give up. Give me a smile, say cheese. We're funny buddies, sing it out and shout. You are my best friend, we can work it out. Side by side, we're funny buddies, sing it out and shout. True friends together, what it's all about. We can work it out.
We're doomed!
funny snail. He a friend of yours?
Yes?
Wow, he should be a comedian. I'll tell him when he wakes up.
So, you're not after us?
Me? No. Is that what you thought? No, I was just out for a stroll. I couldn't sleep because somebody was making so much noise.
Oh.
We didn't know.
Why didn't you just ask me, silly?
Sorry, Mr. Lion. I really should have known better. This is exactly like how Ollie didn't talk to me about his ball.
What? What do you mean?
You got really mad at me for losing your ball on the roof and wouldn't talk to me about it. But look, the only reason it happened was because you left it outside and it was about to roll into the street and get run over. So I grabbed it and threw it behind me. That's how it got stuck on the roof.
So you weren't being careless? I am so sorry, Moon. I promise from now on, we'll talk more.
Did I do it? Did I win?
You sure did, brave little snail.
Now let's go find Geraldine and get that ball back.
Geraldine? The giraffe?
You know her?
Know her? We're best buddies. You should have.
Just asked.
Geraldine!
Thanks, Geraldine. The only thing better than having my Nubby Wubby Super Bowl back is having such good friends to share with. Now let's get this party started!